Why don't you reach in there and see?
That's a plane. Power Rangers! It's Power Rangers, Mommy.
Who is it? Is it Rita Repulsa?
No, it's Mr. Kevin! No, watch this. Mike. Mia. Yay. Emily. And the last one is Antonio.
What do you think about that, Jeffy?
Can you open all of these?
Maybe.
Can you open Emily first?
Okay.
Open the other ones.
You make sure you don't lose their weapons.
Okay, I won't.
Okay.
Can you open one at a time?
I sure will. Can you say something to Daddy real quick?
Good morning, Dad.
Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Okay, now can you open Kevin first?
Yes.